My animation has been going kinda crazy lately, and the results are getting more impressive every single day. Let us take a look at this new short show.
5 more minutes. Seriously? You're hogging it again?
Calm down. I'm just brushing my teeth.
I'm going back to bed. Wake me up when you are done.
Everything you just saw was created entirely with artificial intelligence. And in this tutorial, I will break down step by step how you can get similar results. To begin, you need the right set of tools. There are many AI platforms out there, but the one I will use in this guide is OpenArt because it gives me all the features I need under one subscription. If you want to follow along, I'll leave a link to OpenArt in the description. The first step is writing your animation script. For this, you can use a custom GPT I created, which helps generate clear scripts. Your script needs characters and a simple description of the storyline. For example, you could write, I want to create a short animated film about 2 siblings getting ready for school in the morning. Each character should speak in separate shots so that a lip sync tool can be applied later. The story should sound natural, just like everyday conversation, and it's best to break it into a few short scenes. Being specific in your prompt is important because each shot will need a text-to-image prompt, which will later be turned into an image-to-video sequence. Once you have the script, move to step 2. Generating images. Copy the image prompts from your script and bring them into OpenArt. From the OpenArt home screen, click on Generate Image, then switch models or character styles to find the right one. When you get an image you like, download it. Now it's time for step 3, turning the image into a video. Go back to your script and copy the image to video prompt. Inside OpenArt, click Generate Video. I will use the model Kling 2.1 Pro because it provides excellent balance between quality and credits. Upload your image, paste in the video prompt, and change the settings to Pro mode. After hitting Create, you'll get a short animated clip ready for further editing. The results are often impressive. A 5-second animation only costs about 300 credits. You can experiment with other models too, such as Veo 3 or 1.2.2. Veo 3 looks good, but costs 5 times more credits, while 1.2 is the cheapest but only generates up to 7.2. OP, in my opinion, Kling 2.1 Pro is the best value, providing a nice balance of smooth motion and sharp visuals without draining too many credits. Once you settle on the model, save your animated shots for later use. Now we move on to step 4, voice generation. To give life to your characters. Copy the dialogue lines generated by my custom GPT and open 11 Labs. On the homepage, click on Voices. Then explore Trending Voices. Filter by language, character style, gender, and age to find the perfect match for your characters. For this example, I chose a young female voice called Brittany. Paste in the script line, click Generate Speech, and you'll instantly have professional quality voiceovers. Step 5 is lip syncing. Now that you have both the animation and audio, it's time to sync them together. Go back to OpenArt and choose Generate Video again. But this time, upload your video and add the audio file generated from 11 Labs. Place the audio in the lip sync box and click Generate. Within moments, OpenArt matches the voice to the character's lips, making your AI-generated characters feel natural and realistic. This is the step that truly makes your animation come alive. Once all your scenes are generated with animation, voices, and lip sync, you move to step 6, editing. For editing, you can use any software you like, but I recommend CapCut because it's free and easy to use. Simply drag and drop all your animated clips into the timeline, arrange them in order, add transitions if needed, and then export the final result as an MP4 video.
Get up! We are going to be late.
5 more minutes. Seriously? You're hogging it again?
Calm down. I'm just brushing my teeth.
I'm going back to bed. Wake me up when you are done.
At this point, your AI animation is ready to be shared with the world, looking polished and professional. So that's basically how you can start animating short stories using AI. This method allows you to be as creative as you like, even without traditional animation skills. With OpenArt and a few extra tools, anyone can bring their ideas to life. Whether it's a funny skit, a short film, or a quick social media animation, AI is revolutionizing the way stories are told, and you no longer need expensive animation studios or years of experience to bring your imagination to life. All it takes is a script, some prompts, and the right tools. Whether you're a beginner or a creative professional, This workflow can save you time, money, and effort. Now that you've seen the step-by-step process, it's your turn to start creating. Like, share, and subscribe if you found this useful, and check out my next tutorial for more AI tips.